Installing the strap spacers. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to yet another Tile Tool Tuesday. In this quick 5-minute segment, we will be talking about and reviewing an inexpensive starter kit. This is a strap and cap tile leveling system, anti-lippage system. Now, there are only 3 types of anti-lippage systems on the market right now. You have your strap and cap system, you have your spindle system, and you have one of the most popular, your clip and wedge system. Now, in my personal opinion, I believe this starter kit is more guided to tile installers, tile setters who are now getting into an anti-lippage tile leveling system. And also this is guided towards DIYers and homeowners who plan on installing large format tile for their kitchens or their bathrooms. This anti-lippage Levolution system is currently available at Lowe's, as well as online, and like usual, I will leave links in the description below. This particular starter kit will be coming out very, very soon. What we're gonna do is simple, like usual, bring the camera up close, unbox this, show you what's included with the starter kit, and of course, mix up some thin set and show you how this works with large format 12 by 24 glass panels. Here we go. And here's the kit. Let's open it up. Here are your caps. Now, this system includes 50 caps and 50 spacers. Your Levolution cap here. And here are your spacers. This is a 1/16 of an inch spacer. And lastly, it includes a gun to compress the cap and strap down in order to level up tiles so there is no lippage whatsoever. And to quickly compare the 3 systems, strap and cap, then you have your spindle. This spins on to the base and spacer. This compresses on the spacer using the provided gun. And lastly, you have your clip and wedge system. This is your spacer clip and your wedge. Now, like I said, there are 3 different systems. This is a fantastic starter kit. There are different strokes for different folks. Some people like strap and cap, some people like clip and wedge, and some people like a spindle system. This will be a readily available starter kit, very inexpensive as well, to 1, try out, or 2, to use on your project if you are a homeowner or DIYer. It simply works like this. So without further ado, we'll quickly mix up some thin set and show you and demonstrate how the system works with these 12 by 24 glass panels. Here we go. Here we go, quick and short demonstration. Installing the glass tiles. Installing the strap spacers. And then quickly install the caps. And there it is, guys. This will be an inexpensive starter kit system. One, for a tile setter who wants to try out an anti-lippage system, or a DIYer or homeowner who wants to tile their bathroom floor or kitchen floor, this is simply another option over the spindle system and the wedge and clip system. Thanks for watching this quick 5-minute segment. Hit that thumbs up button, share this video if you know anybody who might find it useful, and I'll see you on the next one. Installing the strap spacers.